my fences. And look, little baby Coleuses. I have them all over here. There's one. There's a bigger one. And these are all Coleous under here. Maybe not that one. I don't know about this one. I don't know about that one. All of these little Coleuses are growing. There's one. And all around here there's Coleous. I'm just going to let them grow. Here's a bunch of them. Here's some. Free plants. I got free plants. How about that? Reseeding. Pull that out. You think it's cool too, don't you, Lucy? I have some back here. Coleous. And I was just taking the weeds out. And I started seeing them all over the place. And I thought, that's pretty cool. Boy, you get out in that sun, it's a scorcher. It's going to be a scorcher today, but right now it's breezy, very breezy, and tolerable for the moment. So, just thought I'd share that. I was coming over here to see, yes, I do have 2 plants in here. And in a couple weeks, I'm going to change them out. Put them down by the farrier in those containers. And I may just go up, pull them, and just stick them in there and put some fertilizer on it. They're heavy though. I would have to take this one over there and do it in the sun. I don't know if I want to do it in the sun, it's so hot. Of course, it don't take very long. This one's growing up in the shelf. But I could probably get it out. Maybe without breaking it. There. There we go. I don't, you know, this shelf doesn't belong here. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. So, oh, this is broke. I need to see if my husband's can weld that a little bit. Yeah, the Coleous, the big Coleous, they're taking care of their young. They're putting off some seed. And I have plenty of Coleous seed. These I'm going to winter over. These look real good over here, but the other side they don't get much sun, so we'll see how they work out. Just kind of cleaning up. We had a windstorm last night. Went into my greenhouse and everything was on the floor. So clean up, clean up, clean up. Nope, 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 nope. Too tough, it won't come off. Okay, I made it so my husband can get through here. So, hope there's no snakes wanting to bite me in here. Oh, here's some more Coleous. There's some more Coleous right there. That's cool. I'm going to let it go. I'm going to let it grow up if it wants to. All right, let's do, these look so shabby. I'm about to put my geraniums in them. I think I will. I'll just take them out of this pot here and put them in these black pots. I think they're kind of aqua pots anyway, but These just didn't do very good. I think they might do good in the cut flower garden. So I'll seed some in there next year and see how they do. And if they don't turn out real good, then and burn up, if they don't do good, then I just won't plant them again. I just thought they would be really pretty. They had it showed big blooms like this. They're just fuzzy. And, uh-oh, did I just pull? Oh well, there's going to be plenty of bee balm here. I thought it was a weed. Silly me. It's a good thing there's plenty of it. I'd be upset that I did that. Okay, I'm going to sit this right up here. My husband can mow. And I need to get my Brussels sprouts in. I have to do that this week, no matter. It's supposed to cool down. Wednesday, it's supposed to be like highs in the 70s. That'll be the time for me to put my Brussels sprouts in. Have to go to the doctor tomorrow. I get to go back to Kansas and see my kids for a few minutes. Downstairs. And there's some nice big ones. Here's a nice big one. I'm gonna get them today. Yep, they don't need any more rain. I think these are the Italian ones. Ooh, that feels a little bit mushy. I should have got it before, but I thought maybe it would grow more. But it's down here where it gets flooded a little bit. The carrots are starting to die. The leaves. That's good. May have to see if we got some carrots. Oh, them are a little mushy. I'll have to pick them and see what they do. Got all this water grass too. There might be some. This one don't feel so bad. We've got a few red onions, but we love them a lot, like in salad, and just really good in salad. But we have some down there drying, up there in the garage drying. So I'll take care of them. I want to be ready to be able to get them hung up when I harvest them. Yeah, these all are good. These are the ones that were sets. They're just, I think they're just basic yellow onions, and then there's red onions, but some of them feel a little mushy. Oh goodness. So let's see the cabbage. I think we're going to get some this fall. I think we probably ought to spray them again. Make sure we don't get stolen from. That one's going to make a nice one, I think, and this one. Alright. It's a waiting game. This one bolted, but oh, we got a nice pepper coming on. I think as long as they get some good heat, because the pepper plants love heat. This is kind of an experiment. I'll leave them here till fall. When the cooler weather comes, we'll see if they put on more broccoli. I found out how to pull up a carrot, because a lot of times you break the stems before you can get it out. So what I do is I get down to the bottom, make sure it's just one, and I put my thumb there at the base of the stem, and I push it sideways. And see? They come out without being broken. Oh my goodness, there's some over there too. Okay. At the base of the stem, so you don't break all your stems off. And most of the time, you'll get them out 3 or 4 days. So it was nice that I didn't have to water, but there's my break. Break. Thank you. There you go. Yeah. Not very big. It's just, these are from the floodplain right here. I bet this is one that I didn't get, and it grew back. Oh, it broke again. All right, try again. And when we disc up our garden, we'll probably find some carrots. All right, that's enough. That's enough. We got a few carrots. Yeah. It'd be good for my husband's eyeballs. Good for, I'll put this in the bin. All right, let's go. Oh, my husband went in. Where'd he go? I don't know where he went. Where'd Daddy go? Inside? Huh. I gotta go get my drink. I do know that. It's going for the worms. Worm casings. Let's see if I got a decent towel to wipe my face with no bugs, no spiders. Whew. Well, I have to go get my drink that's sitting, oh, excuse me, sitting in the sun. Let's go see if I can. Do you remember my video that showed the Mexican sunflowers, the Tithonias, that they looked like they were dead? I've left these here. These are the sunflowers that I had in my cut flower garden, and I found out that they were going to get really, really tall. So I took some out. I left a couple out there in the middle, and I cut the leaves back so my dahlias could have some room and the stalk can have some room. But these will come out. I don't think they will live. I don't know. You never know with some things. Look at them. They're getting taller and they're growing. So don't give up on a plant. You just never know what it might do. I mean, it could look completely dead. I mean, this was just nothing. It was just straight down, dead, dead, dead. It looked like. All of them did. But if I can find the picture, I'll put that on there and what they look like now. Pretty orange, pretty red. And there is an Asian beetle. Hi, Gimpy. Hi, baby. Come on, Mommy going back in the shade. Let's go back in the shade. And this, let's see. I'm going to get my weed eater out. And I'm going to weed eat. And I'm going to sit it on the ground where there's no grass at all. It'd be just basically dirt. And then I'll fill this with sand. I think it'll look a lot better. But I got to save some sand for something else that'll be coming here in a couple weeks. My husband doesn't even know yet either. But it's my money. I saved it. And I went to get it because I think it'll look so cute here. And I may need some sand to make a big circle. So that's exciting. And in September, I'm gonna have a bunch of hostas come in. And I'm gonna fill this with different kinds of hostas. And also, not only different kinds of hostas, but these lilies over here, these little trumpet lilies that seem to bloom and bloom and bloom. I found red ones. So this fall when it's cool, I'm gonna split these and I'm gonna do yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. I might do red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. I don't know. We'll see how it works out. I'll kind of picture it, do a picture in my head. But these are going to be split up. I don't know. My sister-in-law would like some for the country because they are nice. They don't really spread much. I haven't seen any. There's no spreading. But they do get bigger, a little bigger. But this is about the size that they get, and they're so pretty when they come out. So, all I gotta do is pull these dead stems out, and that's pruning right there. Oh, you want to see how my lisianthus is doing? Oh, my lemon tree. It's putting on a ton of new growth. This is the bucket I'm going to put it in when I get more dirt. And I'm sure I could probably find some potting soil and some other pots in here. I may use that. Make sure there's no snakes sticking around. I got my boots on, but I need to take the weed eater through here too. My lisianthus. My one lisianthus. And I hope she makes a flower. Oh, goodness. This is what makes your legs itch. Okay, that's it. I'm good for today. You all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.